guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be going over some of the things that I have purchased recently, fabric and patterns and some notions, all of that. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first thing I got was this ham. It's nice for ironing darts and sleeves and all of that sort, so I got that. And then I got some invisible zippers off of an Etsy shop. I'll link them below. They're awesome. I haven't had any issues with them. I got them in 3 lengths. I think 22 inches, 16 inches, and a shorter one. I can't remember the length, but they're awesome. Alright, so moving on to fabric. I have this really pretty, it's like a, I don't know, rayon. I'm not sure what exact material it is, but it's beautiful. Love it. I think I got 4 yards. Excuse me. And I believe I'm going to be making a wrap skirt out of this, and I'll show you that pattern later. So, yep, beautiful. And then I have this cotton. It's like a light green. If it'll focus. Yeah, with those like sunflowers. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to make out of this, but I think it's going to be some sort of a shirt, like a blouse or something. And then I got this really pretty green. Oh, I love this so much. I think I'm gonna make a dress out of it. So in one of my previous videos, I made this, the coping top, and the pattern also, you can also make a dress out of it. So I think I'm going to do a dress with this green leafy pattern, out of this pattern, green leafy fabric out of this pattern, but make it short sleeve. So yeah, I think that would be nice. And online, on YouTube, the creator of this pattern has a couple of videos about transforming the neckline into a v-neck. So I think I'm going to do that, and then make a v-neck version, short sleeve v-neck version, out of this fabric. I think that will be pretty. So on to, oh yeah, I have one more notion kind of thing that I got. I got this tracing wheel. Maybe. There we go. And I actually used it to make this shirt. That'll be in a video going up, I think, after this one. But yeah, I like it. It came in handy. Alright, so on to, okay, there's only 2, but I bought recently this Simplicity 8606 pattern, and I think I'm going to do view A, I think, yeah, view A for the first like rayon pattern or fabric that I showed. I think that'll be nice, either A or B, but I think A is what I'm leaning towards. But I just love it. Really cute. And then I got this one a while ago, like years ago, but I think it's really pretty. I don't have fabric for it yet, because I don't really know what type of fabric I want to use. It needs to be like flouncy, I think, and maybe have a bit of like stretch in it. But I think I'm going to do view B, which is what the model is wearing. So I think that'll be really nice. And then I got this pattern like a couple months ago, and I made something out of it, but I didn't really like it. So I don't think I'm going to be using this one. But you know, that happens. I have some more fabric that is coming in the mail at some point. I'm not really sure when, but I'll include that probably on the next haul kind of video. So yeah, I'm excited. Just wanted to give you a little kind of like sewing plans and haul video. But yeah, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking it. And I try to post every Monday afternoon around 4 or 5 Eastern Standard Time. So be sure to tune in around then for new videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.